Welcome to ReviewQuik. We're here to guide you through the essentials of our platform. Let's begin with Section 1. Updating your password. Updating your password is a crucial step to ensure the security of your ReviewQuik account. Here's how you can do it. As soon as you log in with the credentials provided in the welcome email, we recommend updating the default password for added security. To get started, click on Settings located in the left sidebar of your screen. Next, click on Account. You'll be taken to your account settings. Here you'll find a field to enter your new password. Choose a strong and unique password that you can remember easily. To confirm your new password, repeat it in the Confirm Password field. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click Save. Your password is now updated. Please make sure to store your password securely. From this point forward, use your new password whenever you log into your account. ReviewQuik. More stars, more success.